What's up everybody? This is Rindale Tuling and this is my first vlog. And in this video, there's no commentary. I'm just enjoying our daily life. So, I hope you enjoy my video and let's get started! So hi guys, this is my last residence, so let's get it on to watch over here. Okay, see you then.
It's not snowing, it's summer here. So this is our area.
Hi guys! Hi!
English, we are eating now at Binondo Residence.
That's all for today guys. I will see you always in the next one.